gonna start now. So hi guys, welcome to another feather family, and we have the new Woodpecker right now. It's not much woodpeckers in this VIP only server. I'm the only one. That there's now roleplay servers.
Oh, really?
This server is for only VIPs, only for group people. There's look how much people are in the VIP.
Wow.
There's so much phoenixes here in the VIP server. Also, I'm a woodpecker. You can see me there. Okay, VIP server has 30 people out of 60 people. I'm pretty sure, yeah, Sanctuary got a new look again. God, I'm pretty slow. Sanctuary gets a lot of new looks, I don't know why. This used to be like a desert biome place, and now the desert biome is there. See?
Okay. Oh, look at that, that's nice too.
All the phoenixes are in here right now.
That's fine. Yes, you had those kinds.
Yeah.
One of them it looks exactly like yours.
That looks
The
like
blue
my
one,
supercharged console.
Yeah. Jeez, someone maybe like it. No?
Yeah.
Exactly the same, no?
Well, not exactly, but almost. Almost. What the? Why is it walking like that? It's not even walking. It's like walking on its tail. I think that's a glitch that happens. There's also a Galaxy Spirit Phoenix there, which is away from the keyboard. I don't know why there's just so much Phoenixes here. There's 11 Phoenixes out of like
Has it happened
30
before?
in the server. There's 31 people in this server. So, and there's 11 Phoenixes in the server.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. It does. Yeah. Actually, it might be the same.
After this game, you could be one of those, right?
Yeah.
And look.
It's just that when I want to become one of these phoenixes, I don't know what phoenix I would be, because there's like a million here. Hey, I think this is only dead. That is this like the hummingbird or something? Or what is this? I think this might be art from the community, actually. Unless it might be decals. Should I grow up? Dad, should I grow up? Okay. Okay, grow. Make new colors. Okay. Green, orange. Oh wait, never mind. Okay. Where is it? That's plastic. Chest. Black. Body. Green. Converts. black primary feathers, gray secondary feathers. Okay, legs, orange again. Tail, 1 black, actually green, and then tail 2 black. That. Okay, extras orange. That. Look at this. Awesome. Oh, display is the pecking. That. See?
Yeah.
Okay, I see a tree here. It's a good place to peck. It's just too loud. Dad, look. Now I wish there's like trees with holes in them, so I could live in one of the trees. I mean, there is one, I think, somewhere in the jungle. Oh wait, no, forest. Okay, yeah, there it is. It's a pretty big one. Would this be like a good spot for a woodpecker? Because, I mean, it's in a tree, but it's kind of big. There's another tree over there, too. Stick nest or dirt nest? Because I'm on the ground.
You know, for woodpeckers, they actually should make the, how do you call it? They make a hole in the tree.
I mean, yeah. We're in a hole.
But I guess stick nest still.
Okay. Hey, it even has an animation. It makes, like... Wow, my nest is tiny. Look how tiny it is. It's smaller than me.
Look.
I wish...
See?
But I wish we could... The woodpecker...
Something you can take.
Oh. The woodpeckers in this game should be able to like make holes in trees, because that would be cool.
Yeah. That would be very cool animation.
But it
Because
would...
you see how they, yeah.
But it would be hard for them.
And there's a bird, I don't know if it's a woodpecker, kind of woodpecker too, that makes a nest, the same kind of nest, in a giant cactus. You see?
Yeah. Oh wait. I know what they use for the nesting animations now. They use the eating animations for some reason. Well, I guess so. It would take a lot of effort for the creators to make woodpeckers allowed to like make nests in trees. Yeah. But if that would happen, probably servers would be full of hollow trees though.
Yeah.
Because I feel like they would take their advantage and just make a hollow tree.
Yeah.
So whenever you go into like one of these holes here, you just see it goes all the way to the top.
Yeah.
So that's probably why they won't add it either. There's an apple tree here. Whoa, look how big this apple is compared to my woodpecker.
Wow. Yeah.
It's almost as big as me. Also, I think this house got reworked. I don't remember it looking like this. I'm not making a word yet. Wait, did they remove the... No. Oh, there's only 8 phoenixes now. Wait, you can turn off the fire here for a stove. Dad, look. Dad.
Oh,
Look what happens when you turn this on.
that's cool.
This would be used for like old days, right?
Yeah. No, the fireplaces are still used today. In cold places.
Oh,
We used to have a fireplace in Hungary. And even in Australia.
there's a chest
Do you
here.
remember? Anya and Appa?
Yeah.
They had a fireplace. Do you remember that? In the... Oh, actually, you were too little in their old house.
Yeah, that was. This place is big. This place is a big house. Dad, why is like this window with this?
Oh, it's the grading that it's basically so that people can't break in. Normally that's what they put those things.
Oh,
Windows can be smashed. But that one,
but what about the door?
well, those are hard too. But
But
the
can't you
windows
just
are
chop
windows
them
are
open?
easy. Of course you can. The other one you can cut it too, but it's a lot more effort. But you know, if you just have a window, you know, it's easy to break. That's
Oh yeah, you can just punch it.
yeah, it's actually easy.
Wheat. Pretty big. But I think I should end the video here, because we checked the woodpecker out now, and we made stickiness. It'd be cool if you could find like insects in this game. They should add like insects that you can eat in this game.
Yeah, that's true.
Like-
That's what you call it.
Because it's only
Crickets especially, right?
there's only worm
Yeah.
and the rats
But at least
that
they it's good that it has
or
worms.
masses. So anyway guys, if you come watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye!